凝结偏远堂，人他nam gyu chen tu che ne. Mi si la lopsu ni cham sem tang. Ning je sem kam shi gebe tablam nupa chen shi yin xing. Te chung, mi xian shi ki rang ni la cham sem so duen gab. So se chi shi nyong ki yebe to lang sam shi che tu ju ge. Ge wang gu tin chi shi pa chen be. But one effective means of teaching someone how to become more warm and compassionate is to begin by using reasoning to educate the individual about the value and practical benefits of compassion, and also having them reflect on how they feel when someone is kind to them, and so on. By His Holiness the Dalai Lama.